Hey everyone, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And in today's video, we're going to go over one of the most popular masks, the ResMed AirFit P10 nasal pillow system. We'll go over an overview of the mask as well as how to assemble and disassemble the mask for cleaning or if you're ever replacing parts. So when you get the mask, it does come as a fit pack with all three different size options available in the package. So small, medium, and large. There's also a for her version that comes with extra small, small, and medium. If you have more petite features, you can get that mask. But over here, I have the standard, but the assembly, disassembly works the same for both P10 for her or the standard. So when you have the mask, it's very simplistic, which is what makes it very popular. The headgear is very minimalistic as well. Essentially, it's kind of elastic based where you just pull it over behind your head, you split the straps, and you put the nasal pillows directly to your nostrils. To make sure you get the right fit, they give all the different sizes with the package. And to take off the cushion, you're just able to lift it right off. It has two different tabs. You're going to see a bigger tab and a smaller tab on the cushion, and it matches a bigger opening and a smaller opening on the frame itself. So you actually wouldn't be able to put it in the wrong way. It just wouldn't attach. It will only attach and stay on there if you put it in the correct orientation. Okay. And then when you're putting on this mask, it does have lettering to assist you on which side is facing you. So there's L and R marking for left and right nostril. So the print is always facing you when you're putting it on. Okay. Now, these head straps can be removed from the mask as well. So if you're doing your cleaning, a lot of people clean the head strap and the rest of the mask assembly separately. And to remove it, there's actually a plastic tab on either end of the headgear that you're going to see here. And this plastic is actually quite malleable. You can bend it over pretty easily. You can grab this tab and then just pull away from the mask, and you're going to see that there's actually an opening that the frame then exits from. Okay, so you're able to remove the head straps just by grabbing this tab and pulling away from the mask, and then the frames come right through the headgear. So these little arms are what actually went inside the headgear and then held it in place. So if you ever replace your headgear or after cleaning and you want to put it back, the way that you would do this is you want to make sure the clip of the P10 headgear is on the outside. It wouldn't be on the inside. So you're going to orient it like this. Okay. And then with this mask, you're going to see the blue line would be on the inside. And you want to feed the arms into each opening on both sides. So you're going to do one side first. Okay. Now the opening is actually on the outside of the headgear. You're going to push the arm right through, and as it's going through the headgear, you're going to grab that tab, and there is a little spot on the arm that you want to pull that gray tab right over, and that's what makes sure it doesn't just slide off like this. So you want to take this tab, pull it all the way there, and then once it grabs onto that little ledge on the arm, then it holds in place. Okay, and then you essentially want to repeat the process on the other side as well. So you're just going to insert it and slide that arm over that tab so that it's anchored on there, and now it won't come off. So that's how you put back your P10 headgear, and there you go. You're ready to use your mask again. We hope you found that video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button and comment down below.